Good morning. Welcome to Chit Chat with Mayur Sampath. Somebody who is new. I am Mayur Sampath, founder of Indian Turtles Group. This Chit Chat session we have started from the 1st of April and it has been going on continuously. And I thank you for all who are participating in this particular meet. What is so important about this early morning 6 o'clock meet is that it brings in the discipline. It brings in a clarity. It brings in the time which, as an individual, which we want. Every now and then, we always creep about, मेरे पास time ही नहीं है. But think about it. You are fortunate enough since you came in this today morning that you have got at least 2 hours extra for yourself, for your self improvement, which is very important, right? Because without self improvement, how can you go forward? How can you think about the circumstances which will never change? They will remain as it is. The coronavirus has practically changed the way things have worked out. It has changed the way our whole lifetime. Now, you can find good about it, or you can start crying for what is not available. The choice is always here. Now, the extra time what you have received, you can utilize for your own self improvement. Yes, for your own self improvement. The wins will be the same for everyone. Wins will be the same for everyone. It is up to us how we set the sails, and that is where your journey will be. Now, the choice is always yours. It is very important that we improve ourselves rather than, blame the government, blame the policies, blame everyone except not blaming ourselves. Now, please understand, after every night, the day is going to come in. The sun is going to rise. But are we prepared for the future? Are we prepared for the day? Now, either you keep on crying for the lockdown, or you start changing yourself. Start changing the mentality. Start learning something new. Start improving on yourself. That is going to make a hell of a lot of difference, and the things will become good. Not so? Think about it. Now you are taking out time for yourself. You are taking out time for improvement. You are taking out time so that you become a better person. Now, it could be the training side, it could be family side, it could be relationship side. It is all the same. But for that, you need to put in that efforts. You need to put in some extra hard work. And also that extra energy. Because once you put in that, the results will bound to be there. Now, is it tough to get up early morning 6 o'clock? No. But our mind is so weak that every now and then when the ring is there, you snooze the button and you go back to sleep. What is the fun of it? Practically, you lose the first 1 hour when you will snooze the button, because you are telling your mind that you are stronger, I am not strong. So getting up early morning should become a rhythm. I have been practicing this since the last few years, and the results are extraordinary. Extraordinary. Why? Because you feel the difference, because you have got that extra few hours for your self-improvement. That makes a hell of a lot of difference. Whether you are a market player, or you are a businessman, or you are working somewhere, it is perfectly all right. But you have decided to change the circumstances. You have decided, okay, no, I will be getting up early morning. I will be doing that extra exercise which is needed to keep my body fit. I will not be crying on this corona thing which is going on. Okay, but I will read some good books. Learn from the wisdom of the people who have written such wonderful books and improve on my ability to understand better. And that is going to help you in every walk of life. Is it not true? Just think about it. Why? Why did you come over here in this early morning chit chat? What is that you are looking for? Now, if you are looking for improvement, if you are looking for discipline, if you want something more, then this is the right place to be in. Because once the circumstances changes, change is inevitable. Yes, change is inevitable, but from your bottom of your heart, we do. In the first week, on the 1st of January, every one of us makes a new year resolution. But do we keep that new year resolution for the rest of the year? Or we say that soda bottle khula, that fizzle out ho gaya, and then we will not even follow that. कंटाला आता है यार, छोड़ यार, कुछ फायदा नहीं होता है. यस, फायदा नहीं होता है. इमीडिएट फायदा कोई भी चीज का नहीं होने वाला है. बिलीव मी, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इंस्टेंट नूडल वाला कार्यक्रम नहीं है. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. You have to have that discipline in place, and then slowly and steadily you will see the difference in yourself, in the world around you. We keep on crying continuously basis. We keep on crying. ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, ये इसने ऐसा बोला, उसने ऐसा बोला, गवर्नमेंट ने ये नहीं किया, उसने वो नहीं किया. We keep on creeping about everything. Instead of creeping today, okay, think about one improvement you want, one improvement, and then practice that on a religious basis for the next 30 days, minimum of 30 days. You know, consciously you need to tell yourself, no, I am going to improve on this. I am going to improve on this. Whether I want to do that exercise, I will be walking minimum of 5,000 steps, irrespective of any circumstances. आज इधर जाना पड़ा, आज उधर जाना पड़ा, आज तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, you know, the pain is there. Oh my God, this is not going to work यार, चलो मैं कल जाऊंगा. जैसे आपने बोला कल जाऊंगा, that means you have broken your resolution, and believe me, this is the first step towards you being in the fail state of mode. Now, if you do not want to fail, if you want to go to the next level, you know, if you want to climb the staircase to the next level, you need to improve on yourself. You need to keep that small commitment which you are giving to yourself. Believe me, it makes life beautiful when you commit yourself and you stay with your commitment. And then at night, when you are going to sleep, you will give a small smile on your face by saying, oh, Mayur, you have done a good job today. So I request you all, raise your arm and pat yourself. Pat yourself. Yes, today morning I have come to this wonderful meet. Okay. And I am going to have one resolution, which I am going to continue for the next 30 days. The best way is stop using the mobile phones for the first 1 hour of your day. अभी आपको लॉगिन करने के लिए जो जरूरत पड़ा. Now, don't use this mobile for 1 hour and see the amount of time you will get. It is incredible. Believe me, ये 1 घंटा आप सुबह को जब इसको छोड़ते हो तो you get time to go for a walk. You get time to read good books. Okay, you get time to think for yourself. And that makes the difference. Okay. It is up to you. Now, winds are there. Winds of change are there. Now, do you want to be in the change or you want to remain where you are for the next 5 years? Nobody is going to even tell you anything about it. But if you want to be the change, you need to be at a different level of thinking. You need to keep that resolution for the next minimum of 30 days, and then it will become a habit. So guys, thank you very much to be a part of this wonderful journey. I love you and I appreciate you coming over here. Keep this practice of getting up early morning. Give yourself that time to think, to learn, and to improve on yourself. Everything else will improve. You don't need to change everybody else around you. You don't need to change the government. You don't need to change anyone. What we need to do is change ourselves. And when we change ourselves, that is all what we will need for going to the next level, slowly and steadily. So guys, take care of yourself, your family. See you tomorrow, 6 o'clock. Love you. And Corona se bachna, it is up to you. Take the steam every day, 2 times. And that is going to at least avoid the Corona coming in. Times are tough, but it is said that tough ones will move ahead. rather than always sitting and crying. Laugh. Life is beautiful. Just laugh. यार कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. ये टाइम भी निकल जाएगा. The seasons always change. After the summer, the rainy season is going to come in. So don't worry. Okay. What you need is prepare yourself for the rainy season. So prepare yourself for good times. And when the times will restart, when the times will come in again, the good times come in, you are at the right time, at the right place. So why just creep about it? Why not improve yourself? It is easy to blame everybody else. Now is the time for the change you want for yourself. Forget about everybody else. It is up to you how much you want. And that is what all matters. Love you all. Take care. And I will see you tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Bye-bye. Thank you all for being over here. Nitin, Kunal, Manoj, Varun, love you all. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.